Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little get ready with me. I've created this little olive green smoky eye for you guys. But also this video is incredibly special because we are celebrating my 1 year on YouTube. I honestly cannot believe that it's already been a year. It went by super fast and it's been a wonderful year actually. A lot of bad things have happened, but a lot of good things have happened too. I just feel like it's been such a rewarding experience. Everyone always says, I wish I would have started sooner. I wish I would have started sooner. And yes, I agree. I wish I would have started sooner. People had been telling me to make my own YouTube channel for years, and then I was like, no, I'm too shy. I don't want to put myself out there, blah, blah, blah. Like I knew it was something that I wanted to do, but I couldn't get myself to do it because of how shy I am. But then I just said, you know what? Fuck it. And I just uploaded my first video. I can barely watch that video because it's so cringy. I was so nervous. I still get super nervous filming, but I really do enjoy it. I really do. I cannot wait to continue growing as a creator, as an artist. There's just so much to learn still, and I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me. Whether you've been here from the beginning or you just subscribed, thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you for putting up with the fact that I don't have the best quality videos or the best editing, and I'm just some random girl making videos in a room with her phone with a passion for makeup. Like this year, I'm hoping to make it a goal of mine to be a little more personal with you guys and let you guys get to know me better. I'm just incredibly shy and private. Like it's hard breaking out of a habit that you've had your entire life, you know? But really, thank you guys so much for watching me, for supporting my channel, for continuing to support me. Words can't describe how grateful I am. Hopefully this year we'll make it to 1,000 subscribers, fingers crossed. But without further ado, it is time that we sing happy birthday to my channel. Look, I even got my channel its own little cupcake. I'm saying that like the channel can eat it. Like, girl, you know damn well I'm gonna be the one eating this shit. But I mess up my lipstick. But I'm so excited. My channel is turning 1. I cannot wait to keep going, see where this road takes me. It has not been easy, but it has definitely been wonderful. And if you're watching this and you're debating whether or not you should start your own YouTube channel, I think you should. No, matter of fact, I know you should. But yeah, I've been talking too damn much. I think it's time I eat this cupcake, y'all. Diabetes. Anyways, I'm gonna stop being weird. If you guys want to see how to get this olive green smoky eye, make sure you keep on watching. You guys excuse my hair. I'm not having the best hair day, but I'm so excited for today's video. It's been a hot minute since I got behind the camera and filmed this tutorial. Most of my other videos that I previously uploaded had already been pre-filmed, so this is the only one that's been like super recent. Except for last week's video, that was kind of recent too. But this is the most recent. I do feel a little rusty, so bear with me. So today I want to do sort of like an olive green smoky eye to match my shirt. I know, I can't believe I'm not doing some type of cut crease. Like, who is she? So I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here called Gingerbread. This is my favorite shade in this palette. So we're gonna use that as a transition shade. So I know spring break is coming up. Do you guys have any plans? So right under that, I'm gonna go with this brown shade right here called Reindeer Paws. Add a wing, and honestly, this would be like a perfect everyday look. But now I'm gonna go into the Kat Von D Saint Center palette. I would like to apologize. This palette is no longer available. I'm sorry. But this palette has like this beautiful olive green shade that I want to use today. Here she is, immaculate, and I'm gonna be applying that all over my lid with my finger. Now I'm just gonna grab a little more of that brown shade we applied on our crease and further blend out everything. Now going into another palette that was limited edition. I'm sorry you guys, I'm using the Desi Katy quad, the eyeshadow quad, the first one that was released on their collaboration with A Dose of Colors. So I'm going to be using this olive green shade right here called Harpoon, and I'm going to apply that again with my finger, and I'm going to wet my finger with some Fix Plus. So now this is with the Desi X Katy shade, and this is without it. So I did do my lashes off camera. These are the Baddie B Lashes in the style Extra. Now we're going to move on to foundation, and today I'm using the Nars Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation in the shade Syracuse. But before I apply that, I actually want to talk to you guys about this sponge. This is the Morphe sponge. They actually have like a couple different shapes, I believe. I don't know if there's 2 more or 1 more, but anyways, this is the one that I have. It was $8, and I actually really like this shape. It's like flat, which I think makes it perfect for baking and for applying concealer. And then I just go on this side to apply my foundation. I've only used it twice. This is about to be my 3rd time, but so far I really like it. It is a lot harder than the Beauty Blender is, and it soaks up less product, so you get a fuller coverage. The only thing is that since it is a little harder, it does take a little longer to blend out and get through the face. So if you're in a rush, I would not recommend using this, but if you have time to do your makeup, I would say this is a great sponge. It's affordable, and come on, it doesn't soak up a lot of product, so a little bit of your foundation goes a long way and you get a fuller coverage, which I really like. Still doesn't beat my Beauty Blender, don't get me wrong, but I really do like it for the price. So for concealer today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 300. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have the shade 280. I went back and I exchanged it for 300, and I like this shade a lot better. I do still think that this concealer creases quite easily, but it's not the worst concealer I've ever tried. I'm getting rid of any creases, and then we're gonna set with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I went overboard with the powder, but we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. You guys, I get so annoyed when I do my makeup, my nose starts running and like it won't stop, and my foundation just ends up disappearing on my nose, and then it gets red. Fantastic. Anyways, we're gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna do some black liner on my waterline. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner as per usual. I'm just gonna set that liner with some black shadow. You can use whichever black shadow you have. I'm using just the black one from the I Love Seti X Dose of Colors collab palette. Now I'm going to blend that out with the brown shade we applied on our crease. And underneath that, I'm going to apply the transition shade. Now I'm going to contour using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm going to bronze with my NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the ABH Peachy Love Blush Trio. I'm gonna mix this one right here called Nectar and this one right here called Miami. For highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia So Hollywood Illuminator. Now I'm just gonna go over that with the Amrezy highlighter. Okay, check out the difference. The So Hollywood Illuminator is pretty bomb on its own, but this is with the Amrezy over it. Wow. Now I'm gonna go into Ginger by Kylie Cosmetics. That is it for this super special Get Ready With Me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some video recommendations down below. Turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time.